You are broke. You are finished. Africans, why are you people wicked? Like wicked. You are broke. You are finished. They wrecked you. Yes. They finished you.
Yes.
You were up. You started falling small. Exactly. You say, don't worry, I go pick again.
Exactly.
I go pick again. Till today, you never pick.
Exactly.
From up to down. People cannot believe that this is you.
Exactly.
Before you can't wear these clothes.
Yes.
You used to be, where is the necklace? Expensive gold. Nothing. You survived an accident.
Yes.
That would have killed you. God brought you out. But they didn't leave you. They kept following you. They now wrecked you from up. Started selling things. Losing things. Till now, you are nowhere. How did you come here?
I saw the program on TikTok. So
Africans, why are you people wicked? Like wicked. Black people, they're in black. Their heart black. Father, in the same vein that they brought him down, the same vein, I command the spirit right now, reverse and let him go now. In the name of Jesus Christ, you will rise. You will rise. I break the chain. I break the cord. I break the curse. I break the spell. In the name of Jesus. Bring it. Remove your shoes. Bring him. Rise! 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 Be lifted in the name of Jesus Christ. Recover all from today. Recover all. May you be looked upon with the eyes of favor. You are remembered. Heaven has remembered you. Grace will speak for you. From today, mercy for you. Begin to pick your things back again. Life to rise back again. In the name of Jesus Christ. Settled.